Yo guys, what's going on? It's Chaz here with Rookie Trading. Today I'm going to be going over a little bit of a daily recap for you guys to kind of get into what I saw and what I was looking at today, what I saw on my scanners, and then what I had on my watch list prior to actually scanning this morning. Alright, let's get into it. So over here we have, let's start with, CHK. Alright, so I like CHK long because we were definitely showing some strong consolidation and then some good moves after hours. What did they have? Maybe I'm not too sure. This looks like an earnings play type thing, so that's probably what happened. But anyways, so right at market open, we flew down and we hit this beautiful support line here. Bounced right back up, made higher highs throughout the day, and then kind of leveled out. But the one thing I don't like about the stock is the volume. Volume is, it's good, but I don't really like candles that trade like this. Like this choppiness is just, I don't know. It's just not something that I enjoy trading, so I kind of looked over it, but I still had it in my watch list because I liked it. GE has been showing some good stuff. It did have a nice gap to fill after this drop here, so I liked it as a long little morning play here. Nice spike and then some consolidation throughout the day. But all right, let's go into shippers. So basically, the reason why I have tops, DCIX, and SEEA. ESEA, geez. But anyways, the reason why I have these three on here is because November is usually a time when shippers go crazy and make some parabolic moves, and I just have those on my long plays because I'm waiting for those moves, and if they never come, they never come. But I'm keeping those on my watch list to make sure that I don't miss those plays because they're known to happen every November around this time of the year. So keep those on watch, I'd suggest. Ears is okay, very volatile. This is something that I'd get in for maybe a quick in and out play, but I didn't jump on it. ACRX, we flew down. We had this nice gap to fill after an earnings play here, filled the gap perfectly, and then came back up. This is a great gap to fill play. As you see, this previous support became our new support, actually, which usually doesn't happen. Our old support usually becomes new resistance, but this was a great play that showed that we had a strong support line here, and we had a nice gap to fill, and we played that this morning. All right, let's go to AYTU. AYTU consolidated throughout the day, pretty bad. We just had a nice gap to fill throughout this morning here, so we hit highs, and we're never able to break that pre-market high and just kept coming down throughout the day. So this is a great gap to fill play here. Plag made some crazy moves this morning. I tried looking at PETZ, PETZ, to see if we had any plays, any sympathy plays off of Plag, but nothing really. Didn't jump on that. AGRX, just some consolidation. PXS, once again, that's a shipper stock, and I'm just watching that to see if we can make any parabolic plays because last week we made a great play to a high of around 359. RGSE. Some consolidation. We couldn't break these highs, nor could we break pre-market high. We had a double top here at market open and just went down ever since. TTNP made some good moves today. We saw a nice trend line. Let me see. Let me change my drawing. Let's see. So we had a really nice trend line here, right? And then we broke out of it hard, and you see how overextended we were off of this trend line. We needed to see some consolidation back, but now we're trending below the trend line, which shows some bearish signs. So I didn't play this today, sadly. I don't normally go for stocks under $1. They're just too risky for me. They make some nice parabolic moves, but they can also really screw you if you get the wrong entry. UAA, I had Under Armour on my list from last week because we were seeing some really nice parabolic moves from Under Armour after their earnings, which was actually extremely surprising. So we're still making moves up, but hopefully I'm looking for the first red day, maybe tomorrow. We ended lower than we did at market open today, so we might be seeing our first red day tomorrow, which would be nice. GoPro, had some nice moves up today. Huge drop at market open. Just some probably sellers wanting to get rid of their position. IQ, nothing really. Don't really like it. A-Ray, this is a stock that I got screwed on last week. Completely my fault. I just didn't cut my losses quick enough, and I was shorting into strength, which was a stupid decision, and I definitely learned from that. FLKS, once again, it's below $1, made no real moves. NIO had a great support bounce here, and we went pretty parabolic. I mean, what is this move? I mean, it's at least 15%, 10%. That's pretty good. And then we have been going up after hours, which is also good, showing some strength there. CIFS, crap. I don't like it. INUV. This was the big one today. So we saw some great moves here. I honestly thought that after this huge drop at market open here, we were going to see some crazy moves to the downside to fill this gap. But since this was like the only stock that was showing some good strength today, people got FOMO and got into it. And you see this consolidation here around the 82-cent range. We consolidated and then had some uptrends all throughout the day, which was great. Now we're ending a little bit lower after hours. I bet this would be a fantastic short play, but I have no shares to short. Sadly, TD Ameritrade is kind of bad about that. They don't let you short a lot of stocks, which does suck, but that's life. And yeah, but if you can short this stock, I would definitely be more bearish than bullish on this stock for sure for the coming up days. And then CLSD, this was just crap. I mean, complete drop here, over 100% drop after hours, which is, I mean, pre-market, which is awful. And then usually when some drop like this happens, sometimes we have a nice spike at morning open, but not today. We just kind of consolidated and ended up lower throughout the day. So this was just a kind of crap play here. But all in all, I did not take a position today. I wasn't really feeling anything. Volume was kind of crap. Nothing was really moving parabolic. INUV didn't move parabolic until a little bit later in the day. I don't really like trading past like 11:30 because that's when the market usually becomes more choppy and the stocks become a little bit crappier to play, and they're harder to call the support and resistance and be able to buy the dip and sell the rip. Easier when there's more volatility in market open, when there's some good volume going on. But anyways, that was kind of my market recap for today. That's what I had on my scanners and on my watch list. And yeah, but no trades today. Hopefully tomorrow will be different. But yeah, and also I will be making a video soon about a college day trading setup. So what I use to day trade every day at college. For some of you other people that might be in college, this might be helpful. I have a very basic setup that works, but I will be upgrading soon, and I'll make sure to show you guys all that. So make sure to leave comments down below if you guys have any questions or suggestions or any comments. It doesn't matter to me. But yeah, so make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Remember to stay green, team, and catch me on Instagram or on Twitter. Thank you guys so much. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye now.